Oh, bills, excuse me, bills, no, yes, please. Settle down. It'll be all right. Bills, if you can just get in line from lowest LC number to highest, that will help our system immensely. We'll get to all of you in time, but we have a system in place. Lowest LC number to highest. Thank you.
In 2013, more than 2,200 bill draft requests were submitted, or about 100 requests per drafter.
5, you're going to be up front here. And then 7, and then 12 is bigger than 7, yes. That looks good. Thank you, Bills. That will help.
Excuse me, everyone, excuse me. I'm looking for my bill drafter.
Whoa, wait a minute. Get in line like the rest of us.
I'm here, and I got a bunch of good ideas. Let's get started.
Hang on, LC-117. You're going to have to get in line like everyone else.
Oh, when am I going to get drafted? And how do all these other bill draft requests get here? My legislator just submitted me. I got her as fast as I could, like Speedy Racer.
I'm sure you did, but we've got a system in place. You'll just have to find your place in line like everyone else.
Most legislators can't submit a bill draft request until after the election, though holdover senators and unopposed candidates can submit requests much sooner. Since bills are typically drafted in the order in which they're received, a priority system is in place to even the playing field for lawmakers who submit their requests later. The way it works is that the first 5 bill draft requests for any lawmaker are given a higher priority than the rest.
All right, Bills, here's what we're going to do. Those of you with request numbers 1 through 5, please step to the left. If your request number is 6 and above, stay on that side and stay in the order that you are. So first 5, come to this side.
That's what I'm talking about.
First 5 this way.
Yes.
First 5. Okay.
Oh, hey, what does that mean for the rest of us here? I mean, I'm 6. She's a 10.
Yeah, I'm my lawmaker's most important bill. I gotta get drafted fast.
We'll get you drafted, but we have a priority system in place in which each legislator's first 5 bill draft requests takes priority. So you'll just have to wait a little bit longer.
When your request comes to the front of the drafter's pile, if it's one of your first 5 requests, the drafter may work on it immediately, provided they have all the information needed. So be sure to provide as much information as possible as soon as possible.
Yeah, you're really vague, and you need to work on your clarity, but we'll get more information from you. Just right back in line, please.
If your bill draft is your 6th or later request, your bill must wait for the drafter to work through all of the 1st through 5th bills before it gets its turn. Some bills won't have the necessary information ready for the drafter to work with, and some bills will get put on hold by their lawmaker, so the line may move faster than expected. Once a drafter works through all of the 1st through 5th bill drafts assigned to them, the drafter can then begin working on bill drafts that are a 6th or later request.
All right, LC-47, you're next. What's up?
The cautionary tale here is to think carefully about which bill ideas are your highest priority ideas. It's strongly recommended you make those your first 5 requests. Don't worry, though, everything gets drafted. It can just take longer for some than others.